Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm AndyRC and today I'm going to be picking the winner of the happy model Mobula6. So we have got around 1500 comments and 1400 likes, so those almost match up, so thank you to everybody who liked this video. So I'm going to copy the URL and then go to this random comment picker and load the comments. Might take a while because we've got a lot of comments there. Thank you for everybody who participated. So that's all of them loaded. Let's randomly pick a winner and good luck to everybody. So we have got a winner, Glenn Ford. It says, good luck to all. With all this bad weather, this is the perfect giveaway. You are not wrong, and it's a great model. I wish I could give it to everybody. So Glenn, what you need to do is put your email address in the comments of this video, and then once I've picked that up, I'll get rid of that comment, and then I'll contact you from there. So thank you to everybody who participated, because it helps me do more of these giveaways, and as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.